Hello everyone, I'm from Netsol Water Solutions. Today through online platform I would like to share my views on why an educational institute should have an RO plant. In both public and private sectors, RO is now one of the most widely used water purification methods. Manufacturers of RO plants provide both large and small municipalities, and RO plants are also widely used in the commercial sector, such as in the food and beverage industry, apartments, education institutes like schools, colleges, etc. Given the importance in the commercial sector and maintaining public health, we must guarantee that they run smoothly. The failure of a unit, unlike other production processes, is not simple hit. Such mismanagement can be disastrous given its importance in the public health. For millions who rely on such plants for clean water, this may mean days of untreated water, which many experts consider it as dangerous. If in any schools does not have and commercial RO plants, the water will not be a clean water. It also harms their attentiveness towards their studies. Yes, you heard me right. A clean and pure water not only provides a pure hygiene, but it also impacts on the brain and on the understanding how much you need to learn. If you don't drink pure water, it will not give you a good health, including the mental health. Therefore, while studying, it is very important to stay hydrated and be in a good mental health. And if you are facing impure water in your institute, in your education, in your schools, then it is not a good sign of learning. It will also create a very commercial loss for the apartment, for the schools and different institutes and colleges. Therefore, the stalling of the RO plant has a direct financial ramifications. It means that the production will not able to continue as planned, which will have an impact on both the production and income. This will also impact on the schools and the education or any college needs. If an RO plant is working very effectively, then it will create a good positive on their name, because in the end every parents and even the teachers, what matters the most, that they study in a very healthy environment. That is why there are many reasons to install a commercial RO plants in schools, in colleges, or any education institutes. One of the main example is that they remove all the impurities from the hard water, and it reduces the water using equipment maintenance. To generate the better testing beverages, it filters out the contaminants. From single point of view system to central ROs, there are several applications. Waterborne infections are a risk for the young kids. By having a water purifier in your school, you eliminate the chances of any waterborne disease. Your school's water supply pipe could be rusted or corrugated. You won't have to worry about anything if your school has an advanced water purifier. Your student will always drink pure and a safe water. A water purifier provides water that is rich in beneficial minerals which aid in the health of the school's children. After the major COVID pandemic, it is very important to keep the hygiene, especially in schools, as children are the primary target of this disease. When schools are reopened after the pandemic, ensuring the health and cleanliness of your children will be very critical and should be the only concern of everybody. The installation of commercial RO plants is a very important step which a school needs to take care of it, as it provides the clean and safe drinking water to the kids, to instructors and other personnel. These RO plants, which can filter and dispense water in good quantities, will give students, teachers and staff in both schools new hope. And not only this, if they will give you the best image in the market, and it will save a lot of money to you. If you have still any doubt regarding the commercial RO plants and the usage of commercial RO plants in schools, then feel free to contact us anytime. Our service lines are open 24/7. In the end, I would like to say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.